Hello everyone, this is Curtis with Weed Whacker Lawn Care. Hey, today is Monday. It's the first. It's March the 1st, 2021. Third month of the year. I hope this month is better than last month. Oh God, I hope this month is better. What can I say there? I'm on my way to see if I can find a part for a customer. As you notice, I done got my hat back on. It's done got cooler again. It was hot yesterday. Now it's cool today. So the temperature is dropping. I think it's gonna drop down about 55. So I don't know if it's gonna get any lower than 55. Something that they were saying on the news, but I don't know. That's why I'm dressed like this. Short sleeve yesterday, covered up. Now back in the heat and all. So, oh yeah, supposed to be some chances for some rain today. I don't know. I can see on my windshield here. I was getting a few raindrops, sprinkles rather. So, yeah, that's what I'm doing today. Running. What I'm thinking about. Oh, I'm going up here to Home Depot to see if I can find this thing for the customer, and hopefully I can find it. If not, I'm like, nah, man, I'm not gonna keep on worrying with this, because due to that ice storm that we had, been on a lot of parts. I mean, for his just plumbing parts. I mean, I think Lowe's got in a shipment, and Home Depot got in a shipment of some of the plumbing, parts and all. So hopefully I can find this one thing today that I need, so that I can get this thing all squared away with this wheel system. Because I went home last night and I started searching online and I wasn't able to find anything, so I was like, nah, I'll just do it today. Which customer called me this morning and says, hey, I'm like, man, did you call? I asked the customer, did he call? Looking around, he couldn't find anything. So he did call me a few minutes ago and said, hey, can you go up to Home Depot and see if they have one? It was showing that they had limited stock, and I'm like, limited stock? I mean, it's very limited. They don't have a lot of stuff. But supposedly they were telling me that they had some shipments in, but I don't know. So that's what I'm doing today. Now I'm just helping the customer get his water back on in his house, so that he can have some good running water for all the essentials in the house to operate. So hopefully I can get this taken care of today and get him off my list. I'll get him off the list. So this one it's been a tough one, y'all. This has been a really tough year in the beginning. I'm in third month, so I'm hoping that March really be a good month. I have to laugh about a lot of things that's been going on, because it's wild. Some wild stuff out here. But as you go through a lot of these things in life, you just never know. You never know what you're gonna get involved with, on the day-to-day activities. Let's see. Yeah, I'm just waiting on this light to change so that I can make it up here. There's a lot of traffic today. On a Monday, a lot of cars out. It's a long light. It's taking a long time. Wow. Okay. All right, we can go now. All right. On the way. Yeah. Yeah, I'm in my little, this here's my little runaround car. I drive this car, you know, for going and doing little estimates, doing some of these little odd jobs for customers. It's cheaper to run this little old car here than drive a truck, because it burns a lot of gas when you drive them big old trucks. This here's got a, let's see what I got. It's got a 4-cylinder, and I can get about, well, I can get 30 miles, right about 34 miles per gallon, which I'm kind of glad about this because, well, the gas is going back up. And when matter of fact, this is an 07 Versa, Nissan Versa. When I got this car, I bought it brand new, and the gas was up to about $4 a gallon. That's the reason why I bought it, because I was using this car as a company car for my other business when I was running my computer business, and I used to do a lot of on-site service, you know, going out to customers' houses, installing a network system, surveillance cameras, and stuff in that nature. And this car saved me a lot of money for its own gas and all. And at one time I was gonna get rid of it, and then I said, nah, I'll keep it. And I'm glad I kept it because it's cheap to operate. I mean, I you know, go to the gas pump. I mean, when the gas went down and it was like $1, you know, well, $1.50 or something like that, I could fill this car up for $10. And on $10, I could ride about, well, I could do about 300 miles on $10 of fuel. Now I try to go and fill up the truck, well, you're looking at about $70 or $80. So I'm like, nah, I think I'd rather like to keep the numbers low, and I can do more riding. I mean, you know, it's a good little car for running around in the city. You really don't need that big old luxury automobile just running around in the city. Now on the highway, after so many hours in this thing, you be ready to get out. It's not that comfortable. I mean, unless you just want to sit in there and ride for a while. I mean, it'll be okay, but kind of tire you out. But you know, you're going, like, if you're driving something like 13 hours, 14 hours, it's gonna be well, it ain't gonna be that comfortable. But running around the city, you know, a few minutes here, hour there, it's all right. And the only thing about smaller cars, they don't have no resale on them. I mean, they got the worst resale value, because it's basically like a throwaway car. It's not gonna bring no value. So you, I mean, it's great if you just have, like, going to the grocery store, the malls, or shopping. These are great little cars. Now, I don't know if I ever get some money. Instead of spending money all the time, I would love to buy me one of those. Well, I don't know, electric car. I'd like to try one, but I have to wait on it. I'm not making no money in this, so I have to wait about it. All right, I'm getting closer here to this here Home Depot. Whoa. Okay, I'm up here. Now, all right, let me see if I can find a parking space. Let's see here. We go right here. All right, come on. Oh my God. All right. All right. Now we made it. Now I'm finna run in here and see if I can find that part that I need for the customer. Yeah, see, it's getting a little sprinkles here on the window. Okay, guys. All right. Stay tuned. I'll be right back. Okay, guys. I left Home Depot. They didn't have the part there. Now I have visited Lowe's and they didn't have the part. So I've been back and forth talking with the customer on this. So now I'm finna drive a little further. Now he wants me to go down to it's another little town down here, Porter, and they have an Ace hardware down there. So that's where I'm headed. I'm finna head down here and see if I can find this part down here. He said that he called and they said that they had one, they'd have it at the counter. So that's where I'm headed. So let's go. Okay, guys, I just got the water filtration system that the customer wanted. So got it at this Ace Hardware down here at well, they say JR's Ace Hardware. And well, this is the thing that, let me see if I can show you. This thing right here, if I can show you. I've been running all over town looking for this. Let's see if I can show you here. Yeah, this thing right here, you can see it right here. There's a water filtration system. Oh boy. Couldn't find that thing nowhere. Not in, couldn't find it in Humble, couldn't find it in Houston. So now it's a little old town called Porter, and that's where I'm at. So I'm gonna take this into Houston now and see if I can get it installed for him, because it had broke due to the winter storm. It cracked the housing and something up there on it. But anyway, y'all, let me take off here. Yeah, because it looked like it got cold and all. So that's what happened with that. So we got all the parts here. And I'm just thinking. So, and you never tried to cut nothing on?
No.
See any water come through there?
You need to flip the switch?
Nah, that's okay. What I'll do is we will let's see if I can hook it up. May not even need those. Well, we'll see. Let's see if I can put it back together. Nothing over here. Wasn't nothing broke over here though, huh?
No, it was just this.
Okay.
The little stand.
All right. Okay. Well, let me get busy and see if I can get it together. Okay, guys. I had to pick up another part for the customer. This time it's a capacitor. What it is, I was working yesterday, got everything all finished up. I got all the plumbing fixed. You know, put all the pipes in and put the water filtration system in for the customer. So then, once everything was hooked up, he tried to turn his well on, and the well wouldn't come on due to the fact that the capacitor blew. So I told him not to worry. I would locate him a capacitor, and that's what I'm doing today. So I'm out here at Ace Electronics, right here, where you can get as you can see up there, you can get all different types of components, you know, at Ace Electronics. And this here is in West Houston. So now I'm finna go and hook this thing up for the customer. I picked him up 2 capacitors just in case he, you know, he blows another one, he'll have an extra one. So now that's where I'm headed, y'all. So stay tuned. I'm gonna wrap this one up today, and then I will be moving on to do something else. All right, y'all.
So, okay, look, we're getting juice to the switch.
You getting juice?
Yeah.
Okay, turn the water on.
It's on.
It's on?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's turned on.
Okay.